Take a window frame that is not in use. First of all, remove the glass from the frame. Cover the back side and the sides with masking tape. But before that, don't forget to remove the nails from the window frame. Cover it properly with the masking tape, leaving the front side. But if you want, you can cover the front side also. After tying the thread, it will look like this, and the front side will look like this. Now hang the photos and it's done.